Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Yardi employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in Yardi Emplo Login and hit enter. Make sure, guys, it takes you to the official link sso.e. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface. Here, at the right side of your screen, you can see the sign-in form. Now, what you need to do is just enter your email. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the sign-in button, you'll be able to access your account. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.